Hello, friends. So we have completed reading and studying and singing of the ballad of Father Gilligan. He saw a very nice priest, very kind, very devoted, dedicated to his duty, sincere and honest. So how God helps such persons. This is a great lesson in our life. How we should be thankful to God for looking after us. How we should be thankful to God for showing mercy towards us. How we should be thankful to God for giving us night to sleep and get refreshed. How we should be thankful to God if we are dedicated and devoted to our work. He is rewarding. So, in fact, the poem is simple one, but it teaches us a great lesson. Not only a great lesson, but many great lessons. Okay, now we go back to the questions, right? Question number 1 is, why was Father Gilligan weary night and day? Weary means tired. Father Gilligan was weary night and day because half of his parishioners were sick and many of them were dying, and plus you have some of them dead and buried in the graves. So he had to attend to everybody. Question number 2, what is the significance of the word flock? Flock means group of sheep. So in Catholic, in the church, flock, the parishioners are considered as sheep and the priest is the shepherd. So instead of saying the parishioners, you say flock. That's all. Why were his flock either in bed or lying under green sod? Because all the parishioners were victims of an epidemic. An epidemic was attacking these members of the parish or parishioners. Just as now we are being attacked by COVID-19. Ours is a pandemic, means the entire world is affected. But here it is a parish, so it is an epidemic. Fourth question, why did another man send for Father Gilligan? Why is the man referred to as poor? Another man was sent to Father Gilligan to invite him to request him to give the last blessings to the dying man. The dying man is poor because he was sick and nobody is to help him. And financially also he must be poor. That's why he is considered poor. Question 5. Why did Father Gilligan seek forgiveness from God? What justification does he give to his errant words? Errant words means wrong words. Error means wrong. So errant words, wrong words. So why did Father Gilligan seek forgiveness from God? Because he complained that I have no rest, no peace, no joy. I have to work day and night. Soon he justified saying that my body, so he asked forgiveness. His justification is, my body spoke, my spirit is willing to work. That's the justification. Why is the time called moth hour? Moths appear late in the evening. So when moths appear, the late evening we call moth hour. What is meant by upon the time of sparrow chirping? Sparrows chirp at daybreak. So that means morning. It's meaning morning. Then what does the line "and rode with little care" indicate? That indicates that he did not care for his personal safety at all. He was riding over rocky lanes and fence without caring for his personal safety. That's the meaning. Now question 9. Why is the sick man's wife surprised to see Father Gilligan? The sick man's wife thought that Father Gilligan had already visited them. Actually it was God's angel. So she asked, why Father, you have come a second time? So she was surprised. Isn't it? 8. And Lord sorry in 10. Why was the priest overcome with grief at the words of the widow? When the widow said that he turned and died as merry as a bird, he felt grief because he thought that he did not do his duty. The man died without getting his last blessing because of his fault. Whose fault? Father's fault. Okay. 11. He knelt him at that word, why? He knew what had happened, so he knelt down and thanked God and prayed for the departed soul. That's the reason. Why, 12th question, how did God save Father Gilligan from damnation? Damnation is too big a word. So then damnation is punishment in hell. Father Gilligan does not in any way deserve such a huge punishment. So we can say that God saved him by sending his angel to help him. How did God save her? 13, question number 13. He who hath made the night of stars for souls who tire and breathe, what does it mean? God in his kindness, eternal kindness and mercy, made day for hard work and night for rest for those who work hard. Which character you find had pity on the least of things? Which character of Father Gilligan? His humility and also his gratitude, thanks to God, gratitude, expressing his gratitude, thanks to God. Understand? Now I have written these answers on the board. I will read out for you. You can write down now or at a later time. Okay. Alright? Say alright. Answer to question number 1. Father Gilligan was weary night and day because half of his parishioners were sick or dying and the rest were buried in their graves. He had to work day and night. Answer 2. Flock means a group of sheep. In the church, the parishioners are sheep and the priest is the shepherd. So flock means the parishioners. 3. Because they were victims of an epidemic. 4. Another man sent for Father Gilligan because a poor man was dying and he had to be given the last blessing. The dying man was sick and had no one to help him. So he was poor. 5. At first Father Gilligan complained that he had no rest, no joy and no peace. He then justified saying it was his body that spoke. His spirit was willing to do work. 6. Moth hour is late evening. At that time, moths appear in the fields. 7. Sparrows begin chirping at daybreak, so it means morning. 8. Without giving any importance to his personal safety, Father Gilligan rode as fast as he could over rocky lane and fence. That is not written there, we can add. 9. The sick man's wife thought the angel who had visited them earlier was Father Gilligan. So she said, you have come again, the second time. 10. The priest was overcome by grief. He thought that the poor sick man died without receiving the last blessing from him, and he felt sorry for his failure in giving the last blessing. That is not written there, but you can add there. He felt sorry because of his failure in giving the last blessing. 11. He knelt him at that word to thank God who helped him. 12. By sending one of the angels to do the work of Father Gilligan. 13. God made night of stars for his people to enjoy a sound sleep after a day's hard work, tire and bleed. 14 is humility and gratitude. So 14 questions and 14 questions answered. Now there are some simple things in your activities. I think that you can do without my help. So I am just skipping that. Very simple things. Therefore I thought I shouldn't bore you and waste your time. Okay. Therefore, next class onwards we will pass on to the danger of a single story by Adichie, Negosi Adichie. Isn't it? So that we will see from the next class onwards. Till then,